Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the doorbell from Tecknet, and it has a really interesting technology. It operates without any battery in here. It just creates some sort of electricity when you press it, and I'll send a signal to this receiver, and they will operate as a doorbell. I'll show you in just a second. Is this a sticker? No. You do have some glue if you don't want to use any screws, which is good. You get the bigger one, or actually this is glue, and probably you can use the sticker, or you just use this tiny bit. So yeah, that's nice that they've included. They give you 3 years warranty, and that's the manual. So let's have a quick look. I just want to see the range first, if it does say. So it has a music button, a volume button, that's the transmitter, and that's how much it consumes. The device is already paired, and they also show you how to pair it, if in case you have any problems. But does it say how far it goes? It goes pretty loud, but what kind of range it is? Yeah, anyway, if I find it anywhere, I'll just mentioning it. Cool. You get screws and glue if you want to use that alternative. So that's the transmitter, and that's the receiver. It's quite basic the way it works, and the receiver also has 2 additional USB-A ports if you want to charge something, and you also still give you access to your plug, and that's where the speaker is, and that's a light which you can see in the night, and that's pretty much it. Very simple and efficient, I would say. So let's plug in the receiver. Yeah, I'm gonna turn off the light a bit so you can see. So doesn't have, that's just the light from my microphone, doesn't have any light, the doorbell itself, but when you press it you will see a little bit of light in there, and also that is flashing even after the light, after the sound stops. So that's quite important, because if you have someone who can't really who can't hear, they have some problems, they would definitely see the light. So let me quickly check a few things. Let's just see what we could do with these buttons. So if I press that, has different ringtones. That's quite nice. This one as well. That's weird. Oh yeah, that's nice. And this is how you turn off the volume. Quite a few modes. That's a classic. Wow, so many modes. How many modes are there? Wow, they went crazy with how many modes there. You definitely won't get bored. There are so many modes. How many modes are there? I can't really see. Where does it say? Seriously, these are loads to choose from, so it will definitely satisfy everyone's taste. I just want to go back to the normal ding dong. Ah, okay, I can see it went back now. Yeah, so that's the one I like. And as you can see, it goes. So that's the loudest. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Ding dong. I really like it, and I do recommend it because I think it's brilliant. You don't need to worry about batteries, wires. That stays close to it. It could be just in your hallway, and you will hear it. It's quite loud, so you'll definitely hear it from any room. So yeah, thank you for watching.